Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school PIN in DigiLocker. First, ensure you have your unique 12-digit Aadhaar number and your registered mobile number ready. This process makes retrieving your academic documents incredibly straightforward and secure. It is designed to simplify how you manage and access your official school records from anywhere, anytime, with complete confidence in their authenticity and safety. Your school provides a specific, 6-digit PIN to each student, acting as a crucial security key. This unique number is vital for connecting your individual academic record with your DigiLocker account. Keep this PIN confidential, as it is the primary way to securely access your official documents like mark sheets, transfer certificates, and other important records from your institution. Losing it would make accessing these documents significantly harder. First, once you have selected your school or educational board, you will see a prompt specifically asking for your school PIN. Carefully enter the 6-digit number into the provided field, making sure every digit is correct. After entering the PIN, simply tap or click on the Get Document or Link Account button. This action initiates the secure retrieval of your school records, connecting them directly to your personal DigiLocker account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.